Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In today's video, we will discuss the last 10 MCQs of the past paper, which was conducted by Higher Education Department in 2016 for the lecturer and subject specialist biology. MCQ number 91 is true roots absent in. तो true roots जो हैं these are absent in bryophytes. ब्रायोफाइट्स को लोअर वस्कुलर प्लांट्स या इसमें से जो वस्कुलर बंडल्स होते हैं वो कम्प्लीटली एब्सेंट होते हैं. तो ब्रायोफाइट्स और ट्रैकियोफाइट्स हैं. ट्रैकियोफाइट्स हायर प्लांट्स हैं, ब्रायोफाइट्स लोअर प्लांट्स हैं. इसमें हमारे पास लिवरवर्ड्स, मोसिस, एंथोसिरोड्स ये सारे आते हैं. फर्न्स, जिम्नोस्पर्म्स और एंजियोस्पर्म्स दीज आर दी ट्रैकियोफाइट्स और दे कंटेन ट्रू रूट्स, ट्रू लीव्स. MCQ number 92 is removal or degradation of environmental pollutants or toxic materials by living organisms is called. So this is known as bioremediation. Bioremediation जो है, this is a process during which the microbes are used to convert the harmful substances from the environment like pollutants and toxic materials which are produced by industries or other produced in the environment like in the air, water or soil. So they are converted into harmless substances. This process is done through a microbes. So this is known as bioremediation. The one disadvantage of bioremediation is that by this process only the biodegradable substances are converted into harmless substances. Not all the substances, but only the biodegradable substances. MCQ number 93 is the mechanism for ATP synthesis is, so the mechanism of ATP synthesis is known as chemiosmosis. Chemiosmosis जो है इसके थ्रू ATP की सिंथेसिस होती है, उस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं chemiosmosis और ये होता है in the through a complex which is known as ATP synthetase. ATP synthetase जो मौजूद होता है in the inner membrane of the mitochondria, उसकी रोटेशन होती है और उसके रोटेशन के थ्रू हाइड्रोजन ग्रेडियंट बना होता है. जब उसकी रोटेशन होती है तो उस रोटेशन की वजह से ADP जो है ये कंबाइन हो जाता है विद इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट और इससे बनता है ATP. डाइफॉस्फेट है और ये ट्राइफॉस्फेट है, एक और इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट इसके साथ कंबाइन होता है तो दे फॉर्म ATP. MCQ नंबर 94 इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ वायरल डिजीज. अब इसमें से वायरल डिजीज कौन सा नहीं है? तो काउपॉक्स, मम्प्स, स्मॉलपॉक्स दीज आर viral diseases. These are caused by the virus. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani. So it is a bacterium, Clostridium tetani. It is a bacterium. It causes a disease which is known as tetanus. So it is a bacterial disease, not a viral disease. MCQ number 95 is enzyme present in the saliva is. Normally the enzyme present in the saliva is known as salivary amylase. This salivary amylase is also known as ptyalin and this can carry out the digestion or the breakdown of carbohydrates. MCQ number 96 is in human body 99% of total mass is formed of. So 99% of the total mass is formed of 6 bioelements. Normally there are 16 bioelements present in our body. Out of these 16, the 6 form the 99% of the biomass of the total human body. Next MCQ is nitrogen is present in proteins. Proteins are made up of building blocks which are known as amino acids. Let's draw the structure of amino acids. So it is carbon, which has 4 groups, hydrogen, R group, carboxyl and NH2 amino group. So here is a nitrogen present in the amino acid of the proteins. MCQ number 98 is biological organization is, it is highly complex. And what is biological organization? Means cell combine together to form tissue. Many tissues combine together to form organs. Organ combine together to form organ system. And this is a highly complex organization. Many organ systems combine together and they form organism. Many organism combine together and they form population, many species of that organism. Many populations combine together and they form community. Many communities combine together and they form a whole biosphere. a whole ecosystem or the whole biosphere. So this is a level of organization or biological organization. It is highly complex. It is not as simple as seen in this figure. This is highly complex. MCQ number 99 is operculum is present in class Osteichthyes, bony fishes. So this is present in the bony fishes. And what is the function of operculum? It helps in the respiration. It helps fish in respiration. It also protects the gills because it is present over the gills. So it carry out the function of protection of the gills also. MCQ number 100 is the arrangement of dash speaks of the division of labor within the cell. So the arrangement of organelles within the cell means within the cell there are organelles which speaks of the division of labor, because each and every organelle has their own structure and they have their own function. If one organelle have the duty to carry out the synthesis of proteins, and another organelle will carry out the duty of lipids formation. So this is the division of labor which is present within the cell. Okay students, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.